All right, everybody, how are we doing? Steve Mingleco, Final Web Design, coming at you today with a very important video about mobile responsive website development. If you're not familiar, basically mobile development is just anything being done on your phone, your tablet even can be considered mobile development. However, mostly it's iPhones, Androids, anything that really has that its own presentation as far as your phone size. So why is this important? Well, it's very important because right now in 2020 going into 2021, more websites are being accessed by cell phones than they are being accessed by desktop computers. And now that's really changed in about the last 10-year period. Prior to, the last 10 years, most websites were accessed through desktop or laptop computers. Now, however, it has completely gone to cell phones. So if your website's not optimized to have its design and layout, to have mobile speed, to have a user experience that is built around mobile cellular phones, you're going to find yourself that your website's just not going to rank, it's not going to perform, and people are not going to be able to find it. So how do you get these responsive websites? So basically within your HTML, you have CSS, which is allowing for different sizes and resolutions. A lot of it can be done through like media queries. And this is being done so that depending on the display that is being provided, it is actually changing the design of the website, the UI, the UX, that whole experience that people go through with the website. There are very popular platforms like WordPress, Joomla, Magento. I mean, there's a bajillion out there of different CMSs nowadays that are already pre-developed, pre-designed with themes that will allow for this responsive technology. So the first thing is really design and layout. The whole design and layout of the site needs to be optimized for these technologies. So the menu needs to be different. The layout of pictures, the content needs to be bigger so it's readable. The footer needs to be realigned so that all that information that does fit across a wide desktop screen is now able to fit vertically or horizontally on a mobile design template. How about mobile speed? Mobile speed is becoming more important too, because if your website's not optimized for a professional quick, remember that smartphones are not computers. They have smaller processors, they have slower internet connections. A lot are all done through Wi-Fi or data. So you're not able to as likely get the speed out of your website. So you really need to optimize it with smaller image sizes, even removing some of the content that's not as necessary for a desktop type presentation. And also that goes into the user experience. So develop your mobile user experience to be unique and professional. Make sure that the icons are large enough for people's fingers and that the navigation is easy to navigate. And all these things coming together are really going to help you. You need to make sure that your website's not just for the desktop, but also the mobile presentation. Having that unique user experience is what's going to make your website more functional and more engaging as a site that's developed for mobile technology. And with these techniques, you should be able to design your mobile website at the best possible techniques available. But if you want other information, man, please let us know in the comments. If you want to get your website designed and optimized for a mobile experience, that's what we're here for. Would love to help you. If you have any questions, leave them in the message, and catch you in the next video. Peace.